inside. Blanche?
Oh, please, that was pretty little candles.
I certainly will.
No, you want to save it for baby's birthdays. I hope candles are going to glow in his life. I hope that his eyes are like two blue candles lighted in a white cake.
What poetry?
I shouldn't have called it. There's lots of things that could have happened.
There's no excuse for it, Shelley. I don't have to put up with insults. I won't be taken for granted.
God damn, it's hot in here with the heat from that steam from that bathroom.
I said I was sorry 3 different times. I take hot baths for my nerves. Hydrotherapy, they call it. But you healthy pull up without a nerve in your body. Of course, you don't know what anxiety feels like.
I am not a Polak. People from Poland are Poles, not Polacks. But what I am is 100% American. Born and raised in the greatest country on earth and proud as hell of it. So don't you ever call me a Polak. Well, I'm not sure. Keep your seat. Hello. Oh, hello, Mac.
Get your hands off me, Stella. What's the matter with you looking at me with that pitying look?
Quiet in there. Right, yeah, we got a noisy woman on the place. Go ahead, man. At Riley's? No, I don't want to bowl at Riley's. I had a little trouble with Riley last week. Well, I'm the team captain, ain't I? Then we're not going to bowl at Riley's. We're going to bowl at the west side of the galley. All right. I see you, man. Sister Blanche, I've got a little birthday remembrance for you.
Oh, Lady Stanley, I wasn't expecting anything. I don't know why Stella wants to observe my birthday. I'd just rather forget it. I mean, once a person reaches 27, the age is a subject you prefer to ignore.
27.
What is it? Is it for me?
Yes. I hope you like it. A ticket on the Greyhound back to Laurel Tuesday. Hey, well,
You didn't need to do that to her.
don't get all I took off of her.
You didn't need to do that to somebody as alone as she
Delicate piece she is.
is. She is. She was. Nobody was as tender-hearted and trusting as she was. And then people like you abused her and forced her to change. You think you're going bowling now? You're not going bowling now. Tell me why you did that to her.
I done nothing to nobody. You let go of my shirt. Oh, you tore it.
Just tell me why. I want to know why.
When we first met, me and you thought I was common. Well, how right you were, baby. I was common as dirt. Yeah, you showed me the snapshot of the place with the columns. I yanked you down off them columns, and oh, how you loved it. You know, them nights, them colored lights. Yeah. And wasn't we happy? Wasn't it all okay between us until she showed in? I mean, wasn't we happy?